नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVWU. Today topic is Cinchona officinalis medicine part 1. Common name Parvarian bark, China. Debility from existing discharges from loss of vital fluids together with a nervous erythema. Calls for this remedy periodicity is most marked, sensitive to draft, seldom indicated in the earlier stage of acute disease, chronic gout, chronic suppurative pilaris, post-operative gas pains, not relief from passing it, mind symptom, apathetic, indifferent, disobedient, taciturn, despondent, ideas crowd in mind, prevent sleep, disposition to hurt other people's feeling, sudden crying and tossing about, head symptom, as if skull would burst, sensation as if brain were balancing to and fro and striking against skull, receiving great pain, intense throbbing of head and carotids, spasmodic headache in vertex with subsequent pain as if bruised in sides of head, face flushed after hemorrhage or sexual excess or loss of vital fluids, relieved from pressure and warm room, scalp sensitive, worse, combined hair, aches worse in open air, from temple to temple, worse by contact, current of air, stepping, dizzy when walking, eyes, blue color around eyes, hollow eyes, yellowish sclerotica, black specks, bright dazzling illusions, night blindness, in anemic retina, spots before eyes, photophobia, distortion of eyeballs, intermittent ciliary neuralgia, pressure in eyes, amaurosis, scalding lacrimation, ears, ringing in ears, external ear sensitive to touch, hearing sensitive to noise, lobules, red and swollen, nose, checked catarrh, easily bleeding from nose, especially on rising, coryza, sneezing, watery discharge, violent dry sneezing, cold sweat about nose, face, sallow complexion, face bloated, red, mouth, toothache, better pressing, teeth firmly together and by warmth, tongue coated, thick, dirty, tip burns, succeeded by tylism, bitter taste, food taste too salty, modalities, worse, light touch, draft of air, every other day, loss of vital fluids, at night, after eating, bending over, better by bending double, heart pressure, open air, warmth. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.